What we're looking at here is an entire dump truck load of rock. And on many Marin sites, the challenge is finding a place that can accept such a big load. It's dramatically more cost effective to deliver the rocks by dump truck rather than by flatbed in pallets. And on this site, this was the one area where you can see I've carved out a hole so that the boulders would not run down this hill and damage the driveway or the road. And so the technique is to back the dump truck up, dump a third of the boulders, this is a third right here, and then use the machine to move those out of the way and set them where they won't roll, and then continue with another third, repeat, and then this is the last third. In this way we're able to utilize just a couple hundred square feet of relatively flat area to take delivery.